Listen, boy, you are. Remember part. As Scooby-Doo says, you are not just like the rest of them. You are up there with the best of them. What does that make?
Oh, that's a way to write them.
Them.
That's the best of them.
Them.
Yeah.
You are. So you are. I'm just skip it.